But for us as a small player in the market, our responsibility is that to manage our fund and try to get the profit from the market and try not to lose. But again, let's go back to my first question. Do you think those hedge funders or those companies who's out there who are getting to the market with the big monies, I'm not talking about 100 grand, I'm not talking about $1 million, I'm talking about $1 billion. So do you think that they're gonna give up their money for $500,000 or $1 million or 300 grand? Is that the case? I really think so. They're gonna stay in the market and they're gonna be vigilant. They're gonna watch the market and they're gonna wait for it, no matter how long it's gonna take for them to come in their direction and take their money back with the profit. So that's how it works for them. Other than that, they're gonna be a big loser in the market. Okay, let's go back to the chart, because I'm gonna show you what basically happening during these couple of days or so, and then we're gonna talk about it more over there. As you see over here, this is my chart, and right now the market, as I mentioned you guys, so the market basically went against me previously. And if I'm gonna maximize my chart, and if I'm gonna go to 1 hour frame chart, okay, the market, this is the point that the market has start pulling back. So over here, it was $4,950 and with some change, and it just start pulling back towards my direction. And as you see, based off the 1 hour time frame, which is over here, if you follow my cursor, so the market right now is over here, which is $4,342. Okay, previously the market went against me and it just eroded my money from my account up to 12,000 and some change. And then now if I'm gonna minimize my chart and go to my actual accounting, which is over here. So as you see right now over here, this is my actually dollar value that I have still in the market. So it came back towards my favor, and right now I'm done for 7,300. And as you see, it's keep fluctuating because it's live trade, right? 7,000, let's say 7,300. So right now I'm done for 7,300. But here's the deal. If the market, I'm waiting for, market can do two things. It's gonna go sideways, actually three things. It can go sideways for a while, but at some point it's gonna get exhausted and it's gonna take the direction. So what direction it's gonna take? It either can go up or can go down, right? It can go either bullish or go down like bearish, right? So there is no other scenario around it. So it could go sideways, go up, or go down, right? So I'm gonna patiently watch the market to the point that if it's gonna go towards my favor and it's gonna close my position, that's fine, no problem. I'm gonna wait for the right time to get to the second position. But if it's gonna go against me and it's gonna start eroding my money and take my money back to the market, what I'm gonna do, this is my plan. So I'm gonna come over here. So if the market is gonna, which is 4,300 over here, 4,300 some change. If the market is gonna go all the way back to the point that it was, let's maximize the chart. Then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do. Okay, if the market is gonna go back all the way back over here, this blue line, still I'm not gonna get to the market. But if it's gonna get to 5,300, if it's gonna pass 5,000, and if it's gonna get to the 5,300, that's the point I'm gonna go for one more attempt, and I'm gonna go short in order to harvest my whole position and wait for it until it's gonna hit my target.